time Pac-Man is green color, so he's gonna get 20 kills for sure.
Why
No,
alien?
man.
Green color.
Whenever Pac-Man is green color, he'll take a lot of kills.
Green
I
color
am
is
just
Pac-Man,
not
no?
finding the right meta combination for me. Like it was HRM and Ram 7. This bunny guy, man.
Like driving vehicles in that pre-lobby.
Now this is a squad. Word came down. We are green to go. So gear up and grab your chutes. We're going to the war zone. You are cleared hot on all threats. Watch your ass down there. Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Secure as much cash as you can. You are green to get greedy. Mark a drop point for your squad and lead them in.
இவன் எங்கடா ராகுல் ஆளை காணோம் ரொம்ப நாளா.
Work.
இந்த வாட்டி போப்போ பவர் பிளான் போலாம்.
There will be chaos.
Let's do some contracts, my 3-con. I need to level up my guns.
I'll tell you, there will be chaos because a lot of players will be coming here.
Yeah, if enemies come, we'll engage, but we'll do recons, not bounty. Towards the end of the match, we'll do. There is heavy action in this area. Be careful, Pac-Man. Some 3 or 4 people landed over there.
Okay, do the contract.
Luckily,
Intel.
who got killed?
Somebody killed me in the parachute.
What? How?
Aim bot only water. How they will kill?
You're starting the contract. Pick your weapons, guys.
How did he die from me, man? I was in the parachute. How did he die?
Good connection.
It's so strange. I threw something. I think
Near somebody near IK.
I just landed and then I threw that mine something.
No, somebody is near you, isn't it?
Enemies dropping into the AO. Upload's finished. Contract complete.
Pac-Man behind. Above you, Pac-Man. Nice.
Hostile eliminated.
Not above, I think he was down.
இங்க இருக்கான்டா.
You have a buy station inbound.
Oh, I took that.
Got it. Friendly Guardian is active.
செம்ம சண்டை போட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க.
Friendly buy station is ready.
He's coming back, man.
Coming back, where?
No. Me and Pac-Man. He killed somebody. The guy is coming back.
Broken plate.
நிறைய இருக்காங்கடா இந்த ஏரியால.
Plate ஓடச்சான். வரோம் பாரு.
Oh, this guy.
டவுன் பண்ணிட்டான்.
Pac-Man finish.
அடிச்சிட்டியா?
Pac-Man
finish பண்ணிட்டான்.
Pac-Man, somebody shooting you from
Pac-Man behind you. Yeah, we are damaging him, but he is hiding here.
Coming, Pac-Man. He's coming up.
Got him.
Some guys ran in here. Can you check out this place? Oh, one more landing on the roof.
Moving.
அந்த ஏரியால நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஆமா வேணும். Let's go.
ரொம்ப நேரம் இருந்தா கூட பிக் அப் பண்ணிடுவாங்க.
Hey, you're a shield guy, man.
They're coming.
He killed me. Throw a bloody Semtex on him.
IK உங்க அலி பண்ணிட்டாங்கடா.
Why did you use that burst fire gun against?
I said we are gonna do recon, right?
Oh.
He was using FJX Soros. I stood no chance. Unless I use like incendiary rounds, right?
What the hell was that?
அப்படி ஓடுறான்.
Shield fucker.
அடி வாங்கிட்டு இருக்கான். ஆமோ தீந்துச்சா ஷிட்.
நான் வந்து
ஆமோ
கொடுக்குறேன்.
தலைவலியே இருக்குடா.
வெயிட் பண்ணு.
இது பின்னாடி யாரோ இருக்காங்க, கேர்ஃபுல்லா இரு.
Pacman, somebody towards you.
ஒரு ஷீல்டு ஒருத்தர் இருக்கான் பார்த்தேன், அந்த எல்லோ கலர் ஷீல்டு வச்சுட்டு கோல்டன் ஷீல்டு.
மோட்டர் போட்டுருவான்.
Somebody behind Pacman.
வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க கணேஷ். இருக்கானா கணேஷ் அங்க?
ஆமா, என் பக்கத்துல தான் இருக்கான்.
ஓ ஷிட்.
என் பக்கத்துல இருக்கான், மார்க் பண்ணிருக்கான். சூப்பர் ஏலியன், சூப்பர் பக்கா.
I think it's down. It's down.
ரைட் சைடுல யாரோ இருக்காங்க. ஒயிட் கலர் ரைட்.
Somebody is watching me.
Yeah.
Hey, two people, man. Shit.
யாரோ வராங்க டவுன். Someone landed, guys.
Enemy in here, guys. I need backup.
உள்ள இருக்கான்.
Two guys. Shit.
Yeah, I think those two guys only. I killed one of them now. Another guy.
They are running round and round. I don't know what fun they get by running around. Like stupid morons, they'll be running in circles.
பின்னாடி இருக்கான்.
See, two of these
Pacman
guys.
behind you.
Hey, whole team here, man.
Yeah. These two guys only got me.
Oh shit. Yeah, ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்காங்க. மூணு பேர் இருக்காங்க.
They are using stim and all they are using.
One guy is using stick, other two guys are using some
shield on.
Shot that.
Ganesh, நான் இறங்கி ஸ்னைப்பர் ஆமோ டிராப் பண்றேன். எடுத்துக்கோ.
ஸ்னைப்பர் ஆமோ. ஓ, வாட்டர் டேங்க் மேல இருக்கீங்களா? நான் அங்க வரேன்.
உள்ள போங்கடா, டேமேஜ் பண்ணிரலாம். இங்க இருக்காங்க.
டோட்டன்.
அடி செம்மையா அடி வந்து வருது.
இங்க இருக்காங்க.
ஏய் somebody see me.
ஐகே பின்னாடி வா.
Shit.
எங்கன்னு தெரியலடா.
I could have marked.
டவுன் பண்ண அசிஸ்ட் கிடைச்சது. Pacman அடிச்சான். இங்க இருக்கான்.
Pacman, can you
Pacman revive IK. Pacman revive.
He's engaging. Let him engage. I can wait till alien comes.
Okay.
Back.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Revive.
Okay, but somebody is dropping.
Yeah. Shield is there on top.
I think
of
I can come and
jump down.
Yeah, alien can revive.
Yeah, revive பண்ணு நீ alien revive.
But it's taking time for me. Yeah, just now I came.
Oh, there's one.
Hey, I can't go. I can't really.
I'm just engaged.
Somebody revive IK.
I can't right now.
No, don't.
Got it.
Okay.
No bro.
There's one more in that yellow marker, Pacman. Just check him out.
Just going. I'm plating up.
Yeah.
Somebody more coming, I think.
ஏன்டா ரங்க கணேஷ்? உனக்கு ஆமோ
இல்ல
கொடுக்கல.
அங்க இருந்து ரொம்ப
டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்கு.
தீந்துருச்சு. இங்க இருக்காங்க எனிமீஸ்.
I don't think they're coming back over there. அங்க இருக்காங்களா?
இருக்காங்கடா, அங்க இருக்காங்க.
Okay.
This side, Pacman.
Come here. He is here.
Some idiot shot me from the behind.
Don't revive. Go inside. Hey, he's a guy. Guy, coming behind you. Ganesh.
Come, மேல வந்துருங்க.
Ah, nice. Somebody coming. Be ready.
Where?
Doctor work I'm doing.
Oh shit, man.
Hey, this guy.
Yeah. I put
Nice.
thermite in him.
Is he dead?
Super.
Ready for it's using shit.
Yeah, dead. Shield guy.
My God.
Level 2-3 people were there. Otherwise.
Somebody take
My
the
God,
sweaters.
man. Hey, there's
On
a
the
guy on your
terrace.
right. Okay. Down.
Contractor. Execute contracts to earn payment.
I don't see him.
Complete
Must be you
contract.
saw Ganesh.
No, there was some guy.
Sorry. He's gone.
Where? Mark it up.
I was dead. I couldn't mark at that time.
Well, he's not here now.
No. I think he went.
Copy. Extract helo is inbound now.
Hey, somebody's coming.
Where? Hey, they're coming on top of the roof.
Cracked.
Yeah, killed him.
Finished.
Nice.
Killed him. In the
That was nice, mid-air.
earlier distance.
You've got a bird standing by at
Drop all the
extract
guys,
point.
guys.
Bag is set for deposit.
Popped.
Hey, someone landing, man. Again.
Somebody seeing
Again,
me
they're
from
in
that
the near.
direction.
Hey, someone is near the car.
Yeah, near the
Near the
car.
car.
Somebody, he saw me just
Red
now.
marker?
Yeah, red
அல்ல
marker.
அந்த பிக்கி
இந்த
பேக்
direction,
கார்
the
அங்க
direction.
இருக்கான்.
In the direction.
மினி மேப்ல காட்டுது பாரு.
Cargo is
Above
secured and
this
exiting
building.
the AO. All
Right.
stations, enemy attack helos in the area. Target that bird and secure the cache.
Yeah, got him.
I thought I saw one more. Not sure.
ஒருத்தன் தான் தான்.
மேல இருந்து குச்சா சூப்பர் ஹீரோ மாதிரி.
ஏய் உன்னத இருக்கான்டா. ஃப்ரண்ட்ல இருக்கான்.
Oh. Wait.
Downed him. Got him.
Nice. வேற parachute ல இருந்து வந்தானா?
தெரியல சடனா கீழ ஓடிட்டான்.
One more.
Yeah, suddenly we are here only now. How did he
One
come
more
so
where
far?
knock.
I can listen to him, but I don't know where.
Oh, then he's already in the
Check the
ground.
mini maps.
I can hear his footsteps.
Hey,
I'm
they are
running
near
about.
that
Solid copy. Bird is inbound for cache
the
extraction.
Doom area, man. 2-3 people. Hey, enemies are coming.
Yeah.
Don't let him touch you.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Multiple people are coming.
Bag set. Extract bird is standing by.
Nice.
Just one more minute, bro.
Hey, they are here, man.
Cargo secure. Helo is exiting the target area.
Structure நல்லா இருக்கு building.
நிறைய காசு இருக்குடா.
One more.
One more where?
Where? Squad wipe. என்னடா எல்லாம் ஒன்னு செத்துட்டானுங்க.
Almost got me, man. One more guy, high value target. Near alien.
Okay, let's go.
I killed his teammate, but he got me.
Is he
Enemy
inside the
soldier
bunker?
incoming.
One guy landed behind.
Outside. He's near the tower.
எங்கடா இருக்கான்? ஏய் இங்க இருக்கான்டா. ஐக்கே இங்க இருக்கான். வெளிய இருக்கான். நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஐக்கே 3-4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. கேர்ஃபுல்லா இரு. சர்வே பண்ணு.
ஓடிட்டு இருந்தான் நாய். டீம்
இல்ல உன்
வைப்பா
பக்கத்துலயே ஒருத்தர் இருக்கான், 2-3 பேர் இருக்கான். இல்ல டீம் வைப்ல பேக் பண்ணி சேஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போறான் அடி.
Ah man, this stupid idiot man here.
பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Kill him, IK. He
I'm too far away.
marked him.
Failed to complete the objective. Stand down.
12 kills back now.
Not enough gas.
Ah, I get 12.